Let's check out the new Black Shark OpenAIR headphones. Not only we get excellent sound quality, but also the best design I have seen on any headphones. And they arrive in very nice packaging. So inside the box you get a manual for them and also a charging lead. And then also our headphones. And these look incredibly premium. And obviously these can be folded for easy storage as well. And what's absolutely cool about these is, as you see, they're totally open. You're also getting very nice adjustment here. It feels very premium. Very nice padding on the top. And this is what the speakers look like. So I can definitely tell that this is incredibly premium product here. And appears very well finished indeed. So we have the protector for the Black Shark logo on them. As see, these can swivel. And again, this is all metal build quality here. See just how premium these look like. And also the speaker itself can also be rotated. As see. And we are also getting very nice soft rubber here. That is going to sit on you. So when it comes to premium feel, these look crazy expensive actually. And also we have the volume adjustment here, play pause button, and our Type-C port where to charge them. I see they actually have multiple speaker design. So see over here, so the main one obviously, and also over here, for example, on each. So this is the maximum size you can adjust them to. And yeah, overall when it comes to design and also build quality, these definitely look very impressive indeed. And if you check the build quality and finish, they definitely look even way more expensive than they actually cost. By the way, if you are also interested in getting these, in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can follow. That will lead you directly to the Black Shark official store on AliExpress, where you can purchase these for the cheapest price possible. So make sure to check out if you are also interested in getting these. So you see, these can also be fully adjusted here to provide the best sound when you actually are wearing these. Snap is very good on these, and they will fit pretty much any size head once adjusted properly. And in my opinion, the best part about these headphones is that they are so incredibly comfortable compared to other headphones. So out of any headphones I have used, these are probably the best, especially when it comes to using them outdoors in fairly hot weather. So when you actually wear these, so you see basically the whole headphone is totally open and simply doesn't create any pressure on your ear. And also your ears simply has got ventilation. So again, if you are wearing this outdoors in maybe like 30-degree weather, again, you simply do not get any fatigue or sweating, unlike on like regular earphones that are obviously closed. So this solves pretty much that issue. So again, personally, when I'm wearing normal headphones in a hotter climate, then again, I can't really do that for maybe more than 20 minutes maximum, but with these ones you can literally wear them for several hours if needed. And again, you simply do not have any like hot feeling on your ears when you actually wear these. So yeah, I think that's actually the best part about these. And also another thing which is great about them is you feel totally present on these ones. So if you wear normal earphones, they're obviously going to block out all the sound. So if you're maybe walking on the street, essentially, you can't really be present. You can get into accident if you can't hear where you're walking. However, with these, when you are wearing them, you obviously still hear everything that's happening around you. And yeah, you can easily listen to music and do something else at the same time, even talk with someone, unlike with regular earphones. So yeah, the comfort and also yeah, being simply able to hear still everything around you really is probably the best thing about these. Also, another cool thing about these is they can also be used in the wired mode. So if you simply take a Type-C cable, plug it in here, and the other end, for example, in your phone or PC, you can also use them in wired mode for zero latency and essentially indefinite runtime when it comes to battery as well. By the way, when it comes to battery life, in wireless mode, they're also probably one of the best earphones I have actually ever used. And when it comes to sound quality, before I actually got them, I really had no idea how the sound will be, since again, obviously they're totally open compared to normal headphones. So I really had no idea basically how they will be. But after now using them for a while, I'm actually genuinely impressed also with the sound quality. So yep, even though they're totally open, the speakers in these are actually done in such a good quality that they still are able to actually deliver very good sound quality overall. And yeah, overall, when you are listening to them, you actually feel very present. Also, the sound coming from them is very crisp and clear as well. So they have got excellent clarity, especially at this price. I think these are one of the clearest sounding headphones that you can get. And also, they're good for vocals as well. So if you like to listen maybe some singing, again, they're also surprisingly decent. Again, even though they're totally open. And also, even bass as well is fairly decent on these. So yep, again, totally open, yet still they have managed to somehow also get very good lows as well on these. Also, when it comes to overall volume that these can deliver, they're also very impressive. And there's pretty much zero distortion, even if you listen to them on the maximum possible level. So I'll simply put my microphone here so you can hear for yourself. Let's start something.
Some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once.
And yeah, overall these Black Shark OpenAIR headphones are very impressive indeed. So I wasn't actually expecting it to get such nice sound quality from this type of headphones. So yeah, also build quality is absolutely superb on these, very good battery life, and when it comes to comfort, really these simply can't be beaten. So when you actually wear them, you really can't even feel that you have something on. And again, if you also wear them in hotter weather, you can wear them essentially for several hours, unlike other earphones. So again, these do not create any fatigue, and also the best part is the design. So whenever I actually wear this outside, these grab so much attention, because again, so have you actually ever seen such headphones? I mean, they look so incredibly cool as well. Okay, good luck.